Hey guys, I'm gonna do some meal prep. We're gonna make some of this, Facebook recipes you get all the time in your Facebook. Your mamas know about them. We got one for. It takes chicken breast, soft cream, cream cheese, ranch dressing powder, onion powder, garlic powder, shredded cheese, and bacon. You put all that stuff together and then cook it at 375 for 45 minutes. It's a pretty simple recipe, but we got to do some prep so that I can do it this afternoon. So this video will be in two parts. We will set out the meats out of the freezer. Here's some bacon. Let's see how many pieces of chicken we have. You could probably do this with turkey too. It might be a little bit different flavor. Six, so that'll work. So we'll put all this over here in the sink and let it thaw out. We put that one left over in there. And then we'll put it all together this afternoon, and I'll send the video out this afternoon where I put it together, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's cooked. I'll talk to y'all guys later. Bye.